Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AMSAB Taste. Today we are going to show you how to make oven grilled tilapia fish. These are the ingredients you will need. I have already cleaned the fish. You can slice the fish to give it a perfect marinade so that the marinade can go through the fish, and that makes it really tasty. Next step is to season the fish with salt. I'm seasoning it with salt. Then I will squeeze some lime on it, lime juice. The lime is really nice to use it to season the fish. It gives a really nice flavor, and I'm using the vegetable seasoning. Let's prepare our vegetables for the marinade. I'm going to use red onion, cut it into cubes, and I'll use the mixed sweet peppers that give it that sweet flavor. Garlic, ginger, half green bell pepper, half Scotch bonnet pepper. This Scotch bonnet is really hot. If you don't like it spicy or hot, you don't have to put the Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to squeeze lemon juice on it, grate the zest on it to give it the boosting flavor. Grate the ginger. Add a bit of olive oil, mix it well, then put it in the oven 10 to 15 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Now our vegetables are ready. We can blend it for the marinade. Add seasonings, vegetable seasoning, a bit of it, black pepper, mustard, Maggi cube, stock cube. Then blend. The marinade is ready. It looks amazing. I can just eat it like that. We can get the fish out of the fridge to marinate it. You can see how juicy it is. It's looking really delicious. I can't wait to just have this tilapia. My mouth is so watery now. Our white onion sauce, seasoned with black pepper, half of Scotch bonnet pepper, of mustard, some lemon juice, and mix it well. How we are going to cook the onions: put the pan on medium heat and a little bit of olive oil. When the oil is hot, half cook the onions. The onions need to be crunchy, so not to overcook it. You can cook it 5 to 7 minutes. Our fish